Hi there, just a Red Bull Ridge here. I just wanted to showcase my my chipper. I really like this thing. This thing's been awesome for us. We've used it across this property and we will continue to use it. I bought spare blades for it. I haven't even had to use them yet. I don't know how many trees we've run through this thing, but it's the WC88 chipper, so it's supposed to do 8 inches of wood, and we've probably run through some 6-inch pieces. I've never pushed it to 8 inches, but it's a fantastic machine if you're thinking of buying one. It's got the hydraulic infeed, which is, for me, it's a must because it works so well as far as feeding the stuff in and being able to retract it. It's an excellent machine. My tractor is an older tractor. The old Red Bull, she's a Case 485. I think it's 43 horsepower at the PTO, 53 horsepower international engine, and plenty of power to run this thing. It's a standard, so I was thinking of getting the WC or the Woodland Mills stump grinder, but those are, the way they're made, they're designed for something that is not standard, because you'll end up burning the clutch out as you try to run back and forth across the stump. So I won't buy that for this machine, and that's the reason why. So, but anyways, and then I'll do a couple cuts with my old P50 because I own all the Pioneer P-series saws, and I just think they're a fantastic saw. So I'll do a couple cuts with my old saw, and I'll run this friggin' machine. I'll get it all started up. You can watch it for 2 minutes or whatever it is, and then that's it. And there's my showcase of the Woodland Mills WC88. Okay.